Welcome back to my channel. Today we start Visual Foxpro and we input some numbers and do arithmetic operations on these numbers. Simply you can see my previous program. My file name is prz1 and here we enter some numbers just like 55. Second number is 44. Then you can see sum is 99. Subtract 11 multiplied division just like so we start a new file, then we create a new program file. So friends, we use modify command, modify command, and after modify command we type our file name just like prz2. Okay, and tap enter. Here we write command, type input double quotation, enter a नंबर, कौन से वेरिएबल में हमको स्टोर करवाना है, टू num1, just like same we simply copy that. Okay, sorry, input enter a number, to num2. Here we also do that, and simply we write sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Here sum is another variable where we can add the sum of num1 and num2, and same we do that for subtraction, is equal to num1 minus num2. Division is equal to num1 divisible by num2. Here we write our sum, subtract, multiplication and division, and here we write to print the sum, subtract and multiplication and division also. So we print and we use the question mark sign to print this, just like sum of num1 plus num2 is equal to, we put here comma for space, we write all this one and we start print, and here we save the file just pressing Ctrl W, and to perform on the console we just type do prz file name to, here we write some numbers like 45, 55. Sum of num1 plus num2 is 100, subtract is -10, multiplication, division. Hope you understand. Thank you for today. Tomorrow we will show you next video on next topic.